dann wird das Ergebnis nicht der Sieg des Judentums sein, sondern die Vernichtung der jüdischen Rasse in Europa.
I thought that went really, really well.
They're always good here. Always. There's always a good crowd. So, you're sticking around for a bit then?
Yeah, we'll be around for the evening.
Yeah. I mean, I think they're sell for the services. Yeah. Yeah, wine's very good as well. Frau and Fräulein Grumblatt? It's nice to see you again. I hope you enjoyed the show.
Congratulations.
Well, thanks very much. I enjoyed it. So, you know, there was nothing much to do after the First World War. So, you know, the state the country was in.
Yeah.
So, I think probably Nietzsche's probably the main influence.
I found it hard to get through, you know, it was a tough read for me. I don't know, maybe, you know, obviously, I don't know, it was hard to read, I just thought.
Yeah. Oh, well, yeah.
Yeah, obviously you read it, and here we are, you know. I mean, I suppose that's the difference between me and you.
Hey? No, you weren't.
That stuff that you were doing, was that the was it the Ukrainian bread shortage stuff? Yeah. Was that ad-libbed? Because it was fucking brilliant.
No, I bet that's for a while.
Yeah, you moan about not coming up with new stuff, and then, you know, one fantastic idea straight between there. You should have more faith in yourself, matey.
No, it's just...
Really good night. Hey, you must feel like a blowing million marks. That speech. I've said it twice already. I know it was top.
Yeah.
Really enjoyed it.
Yeah. Well, you know, like I say, it was a good night. It was a good night. It was a very good night.
So what are you going to do about the old communists? So, it's Foreign Ministry, that's what I want to get me.
Sex. Sex.
And, to get my fact... I want to get...
Oh, let's have sex.
I want to get a fact pack. That's so rude. I swear to God. Rude.
England's great. Just go now.
Who I say, that's how they go. Who I say. Who I say, look, here comes the Germans. You didn't expect that.
And if I get a fact pack, I can just read that. I'm off. And the other thing I was going to ask you is just basically, when are you on next? Because I want to catch that show, basically. Because then it's as good as tonight.
Well, I'm doing Cologne on Thursday.
I'm going to be in Cologne on Thursday. I'm working in Cologne.
Oh, I look forward to that. I look forward to seeing you there. That'd be really interesting.
Aren't you tired? Aren't you tired? I've really aged since I've been in this room.
Well, listen, I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna hit the road. Bye bye. Really nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Going, are you?
Lovely to see you.
Really nice to meet you. Thank you. Yeah.
Take it easy.
And I'll see you in Cologne, hopefully.
I look forward to that. I'm looking forward to seeing you in Cologne.
Okay.
Good night.